every new experience unfold. Tasting the flavors, watching the stories told. From New York to London, we're chasing the fun. Around the world, our journey's just begun.
Silayas na kayo. Tatanga-tanga kayo ah.
Ay, sige, wala ka nakalimutan. Bigyan na lang yayaw mo pa. Thank you yung Chinese na pa.
Walang kapantay.
Enjoy the rest of your stay.
Okay, so we're going to check out again. We're here at Chillax Boracay. So here is our room 11. So for this lodge, again, it's actually good for people na nagta-travel alone. And if you're looking for a budget-friendly accommodation or like a dorm type, kasi yung sa amin, it's really not a dorm type for us kasi we completed the 8 packs for this room. So lahat kami kasya dyan sa room na yan. So there is one master's bed or like a big bed, and then the rest are the bunk beds na. So doon nagstay yung mga gays. So most of the rooms here actually, so dormitory type, so ilan lang yung mga family room. So this one is a family room pala. So yan. And then the other rooms here are dorm type. So meaning may mga kasama ka sa loob na ibang mga backpacker or mga traveler. Alright, so we're on the road. So it's only the 3 of us. The gays already went home. Wala na sila. So we are going to our second hotel, which is the ano yung hotel na? Ipad. It's a beach club. So we're transferring to Ipad Hotel. So medyo dulo rin to ng Station 3. So from Dulo Station 1 and now Dulo Station 3 kami mag-stay. But at least wala nang akyatang mangyayari. And nasa tapat lang siya ng beach ng Station 3 and very near sa mga pilihan. So we will check in. We will try to check in early. Let's see kung i-allow nila. So it's already 12:15 in the afternoon. So we're on the way there and we'll update you and we'll walk you through kung ano yung magiging itsura ng room namin. So it's actually budget friendly ba yun? Okay. Sakto lang. So it's not that budget friendly pero mura pa din because we will be staying here for another 15 days. So let's see kung worth it. So malapit na kami. Ay, hindi pa pala. Nasa station 1 pa lang kami. So we'll update you once we're there. See you here. Say hi. Say hi. Ayaw niyang mahulog ang kanyang cup. Kaya hawak-hawak niya. Mahangin kasi. So yun lang. So we'll update you later. See you later. medyo papasok lang yung daanan if you will be from the road. Pero pwede naman pumasok yung tricycle. From here, we're just gonna walk. And ayan na yung beach. Nakikita na natin sa labas. Kuya Teo, oh. Charot. Oh, there's a kids. Oh, go, go, go. See you, see you. What about here? Come on. Go faster, baby. So here's the beach now. And magta-turn left lang. So here na siya banda. I think medyo dulo na to ng Station 3. So this is as well the peaceful part naman ng Station 3 kasi nasa gilid na siya. Let's go, feet! So medyo alam na namin to kasi pinuntahan na namin while we are still in our previous hotel. So nilakad na namin siya. Kaya medyo alam na namin. So, ayan. Medyo hassle lang pala, no? You'll be walking in the sun. Oh, so here's the hotel. Bipad Hotel. So, again, it's in the beachfront here. Thank you. Okay. Alright. Okay, so they allowed naman us to do early check-in. So here. So we will be checking in early now. So this is the best thing here. Pagbaba lang ay na yung beach. But we're gonna walk pa if we're going to eat. Going to Station 2 naman. So it's like parang 10 minutes walk if you want to go to the busiest part of Boracay, which is the station. So we'll walk you through paano maging itsura ng room namin. So I'll update you guys later. Bye! Thank you. Yes, I'm going up. So we'll be staying on the 3rd floor. Say hi. Here, baby. Okay, so we already checked in. So here's our room. So okay naman siya for 3 people. So malaki naman yung bed and malamig ang aircon and malinis. We have our own bathroom, which is very clean then. So nice. And the rooms is kind of spacious pero good for 3 people. And asan na daw ni Don? Good thing here is when we go out, we have the big balcony here. So, yan. So, kitang-kita agad yung dagat, especially in the morning. Because we are on the beach front. So, ayan. Medyo luma na yung hotel, pero I think it's okay naman for if you will be staying for a long time and for the rate. So I think parang nasa 30 plus K din to. So 30 plus K. So we will be staying for 15 days. For almost 15 days. So divide nyo na lang. 14 days lang. Kasi from today is the 8th up until the 21st. So, parang almost 14 days. Ayan. So, that's the nice view. So, they have a common place here where we can stay. And here's our room lang. Ayan. So, medyo aakyat din. Aakyat din on the 3rd floor. Pero at least hindi ganun kataas yung yung aakyatin. So here's a room. So we can say hi. So ang TV ba is smart TV? That's what I don't know. Let's check. So we'll try to open the TV. The remote. Okay, so we just done checking in and we just had our lunch. So here is our place, Station 3. So saan kami nag-lunch? Nag-lunch kami. It's like ilang minutes walk na? Mga 7 to 8 minutes walk sa Kenny Rogers. Malapit lang sa Astoria, sa Station 3. So we're here now, walking. I'm gonna switch my camera. Yeah, so I have Paul and Sio. So we are going back to our hotel. So at least dito, we don't need much tricycle kasi we can walk. Though medyo malayo siya. Like mga 10 minutes walk papunta sa Station 2. At least may view naman ng beach. Kaya okay pa din maglakad. So, ayan. So we are just walking and going back to our place or to our hotel. So medyo maalon ngayon. Ayan. Malakas yung alon. Maybe because of the upcoming bagyo. Yeah, there is a storm coming in. Actually sa Manila daw maulan na. So baka on the way na rin siya here. Pero may araw naman, mainit. Pero yung langit medyo umiitim. So we will wait and see kung uulan. Kasi like what I've said, gusto ko yung umuulan ng tanghali para makapag-swim. So we're still walking, going to our dance. Theo's eating his muffin. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yes or no? Yes. Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Say yes, I'm happy.
Yes, I'm happy, Papa. I'm happy.
Are you not angry?
I'm happy.
You're happy? Papa's angry.
Dad is angry.
Huh?
Dad is angry.
Dada's angry. Really? A while ago, I'm angry to you because you're not eating. If you're always eating, I'm not angry, okay? Say okay. Are you happy now? You're walking in the beach? And then later you're gonna swim, okay? Say okay. You want to ride on the boat? Huh? You want to ride on the boat? Ayun yung mga boat na pang paraw. Yan. So I think yan yung walang makina. Walang makina yun, di ba, babe? Ha? Walang makina yan. Di ba? It's just ano lang. The air will flow them. Will float. The air will set them free. The air will set them away into the ocean. Ano na? So I think we're almost near now. So like what I've said, mga parang 7 to 8 minutes walk lang siya dun sa kinainan namin. And it's like 10 minutes walk naman going to Station 2, right? Be? Be, magsalita ka naman. Ano? So, yung mga ibang days namin, si Paul ang magmamanage ng vlog. So, he's the one who will talk. We will be using our mic. So, maybe tomorrow when I start our new vlog, then Paul will be navigating the vlog. Navigate! And he's the one who will keep on jumping and jumping. Like Ayesha said. See, you're always jumping and jumping and jumping. So, where are we now? I think we're near now. So, medyo dulo siya, pero hindi naman siya sobrang dulo. Ay, may salon, no? And spa, be. Siya. Salon? Nagpapasalon ka? Ano yung sinasabi ni Kuyang treehouse? May sinabi kasi yung e-trike driver kanina na ang babaan daw nung hotel namin is sa treehouse. So ito ba yun? Like a tree in the house? Or a house in a tree? Baka ito. Kaya maraming trees sa loob. Oo nga. Kaya treehouse ba tawag? Treehouse ba tawag? Ito yon. Pero wala na siya, no? Ano siya dati? Bar? Okay. Kailan ito nag-close mo yan? Tagal. Yun, sabi ng police. Ito yung dating treehouse. May puno siya sa loob, eh. Kaya nga treehouse. So, dati daw yung bar, pero nagsara na. Ayan. Ayan yung treehouse. So, may malapit na bilihan sa aming place. And malapit din yung diving kines too. Ayan. So if you want to do scuba diving, I think this is the best. I don't know if that's the best, pero baka maganda siya. So then here's our hotel na. I told you, it's like almost 7 to 8 minutes walk lang. Then 10 minutes walk naman. We are going to the station 2. And siguro 15 minutes walk going to station 1. So, okay lang naman mag-walk. So here's our view outside our hotel. Yan. And here's our hotel. So kaya pala mapuno to kasi andyan yung tree house na dati daw bar. So we're going up again. So we asked for a water filling station kasi medyo mahal yung mga water dito. And the hotel don't serve free water. So, papahiramin na lang daw nila kami ng malaking galon. And then, i-refill na lang. So, we're here now in a room H. Okay, it's 5:30 p.m. So, nakatulog kami. We just had a nap. And ngayon is sobrang hangin. At sobrang lakas ng alon. I think this is a sign na medyo malakas ang ulan later. So, as you can see, sobrang lakas ng alon. Ayan. So, sobrang lakas din ng hangin, which is not the usual. So, grabe yung alon ngayon. So, we are outside our terrace area sa place na pinag-check-inan namin. So, walang ibang tao kasi today, we're the only one who were checked in. So tomorrow pa daw ata, or the other day magkakaroon ng ibang other guests. So for today, kami lang ang guest. Kaya sakop namin yung buong place. So sobrang lakas ng alon, as in. So, siguro hindi mo na kami magsiswim. Tomorrow na lang. Kasi matatakot si Zio. He's afraid sa mga alon-alon. And currently at this time, tulog pa siya. So, hindi rin siya makakapag-swim. Magsa-sunset na. Actually, nagdan na yung sunset. So, it's the first time na makita ko na ganito yung kalakas yung alon sa Boracay. Sobrang lakas. Kasi I think nga baka because sa upcoming bagyo. So, ayan. So, marami pa rin naliligo. So, dito kami sa Station 3. So, ayan. Ang busiest part, the Station 2 and the Station 1. Ayan. So, ito yung labas ng hotel namin. So, ayan. It's the B-Pod Hotel. So, like what I've said, walang ibang naka-check-in, only us. Kaya as you can see, medyo tahimik siya. Itong yung buong area. But there's a lot of people outside. Pero here, kami lang ang tao. So, yan siya. It's nice. Happy face. What? Happy face. Silly face. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes. Ay, ganun pa din, Tia.
It's a volcano.
Where's volcano? That's not a volcano, baby. Okay, so it's another day today. So we're here at Station 2. We're looking for a place to eat. So as you can see, super malakas yung hangin. Kasi I think the bagyo is coming na talaga. So medyo malakas ang bagyo na darating. Kasi sa Manila, uulan na. So I think here, on the way pa lang siya. Ayan, sobrang lakas din ng alon. But still, you can still see the beauty of Boracay. It's really nice. Though, hindi siya sobrang alon nga. I mean, hindi siya super init kasi walang araw. So, it's really nice to go swimming kasi walang araw. And that's what I really want. And, kitang-kita naman na marami pa rin nagsaswim. So, I'm here. So ngayon we're gonna eat, I think, in McDonald's. Kasi na-miss ko na yung McDo. So, we're going to the Station 2. And we're gonna eat there, the McDonald's. So we're gonna update you what we're gonna happen next, because after we eat we're gonna swim. Yes, we're gonna swim. So see you guys later. Bye bye. So we're here at McDonald's. So medyo mahina yung signal dito sa loob. That's why all need to go out para makabayaran yung okay, nag-error na. Wait lang. Ayan, so mahirap ang signal. That's why we have to connect at the Wi-Fi. So let's wait. See ya! See ya! Say hi! Upo na kami. Antayin mo yan. Okay, let's go upstairs. Come on, let's go up. Huwag kang gravy, Bea. Okay, I'll go up now. We're gonna wait for Papa upstairs. Come on. Careful. Go up, careful. Careful. Go up. Okay, medyo mainit dito. Let's just go down na lang. Let's go down, baby. It's hot. Mas malamig doon sa baba. Ben, mainit sa taas ka na. Oh, sit down there.
The days are long, but the years are short. Taking a breath, finding my peace, and soaking up every second of this rest with my two favorite guys. In the middle of the noise, the running, and the endless energy, I found my calm. Grateful for this vacation pause with my boys. This time isn't just a season, it's the quiet moments between the adventure, heart full, mind at rest. On this pause, I'm learning that rest isn't just about doing nothing, it's about being present. Trading the to-do list for sandcastles and belly laughs with the boys. They remind me to play, and I remind them to breathe. This vacation is a lesson in finding peace in the unexpected. My definition of peace of mind this time. Everyone is fed, nobody is crying, and I'm sitting down for 5 consecutive days.